Hello, here's how I use Notion to determine my top 3 core values. So here are the list of values that you can check. Just check everything that resonates with you. Let's select like a couple of items here. Okay, this is just for an example. Then afterwards, next step would be to categorize them into 5 groups. So to do that, just drag from the no group to whatever group you want. You can do one by one or select multiple ones. And also you can rearrange as so if you think that it should be on the other group or what. Okay, now next step would be choose one value per group. So for example, you have structure, smart, enjoyment, clarity, and innovation. Then afterwards, it will come to the next view. Then you need to pick your top 3 values. Structure, smart, innovation. Yeah. Then you can put your whatever your cover or photos here. What you can do is add cover, then select a cover from here or from Unsplash. Type innovation. Is there something? Okay, so I can select this one for example. Let's do for the rest. Pick something that can resonate with you so that it will be memorable. Structure. I'll just pick the first one. Yeah, that's it. And you can focus on these 3 core values.